Now here we need to find the value of a over b, no? A over b. So a I will replace with this. They tell no a equal to this. So that means this is a standard form number. This is also a standard form. So a I will replace with this because we need to find the value of this. A equal to this. So very simple idea. A for the a I will write 4.5, right? 4.5 and here 10 to the power 7. Then over, okay, now b equal to this, right? Now for the b I will replace this for the 9 into 10 to the power negative 3. Okay, now I will show you a method to do this type of question. But the you need to do these powers separately like this, and this is normal, separately. These two separately try to do. Now here this one basic idea, this no, you know, right? 10 to the power 7 divide by here division, no, this line represent division, no, division 10 to the power negative 3. There's another way also we can do this. 10 to the power minus 3 you can bring to up like that, but I will show you with this method, right? Basic idea here, 10 to the power 7 divided by 10 to the power minus 3. That means this way. Now, with the indices rule, we have learned if you have same base, here base is 10, same base and division, what we need to do? Subtract the index from first index. That means from this, you need to subtract this. So, I will show you doing that. 7 subtract, right? Subtract. If you have division here, we need to do subtract. Subtract minus 3 like this, This is will easily you can understand. Write the thing what you need to do here. From this index we need to subtract this index. Here we have minus sign, that means subtraction, but still we need to write, because of this division we need to write like this. You are the 7 subtract minus 3 like that, right? Now when you have two sign, we can make it to one sign. If you thought has multiplication, this two sign between we have multiplication like this. So here 7, first of all make this two sign to 1. You need to do only what the thing has here, multiplication. Then when you multiply, what the sign? Minus into minus, right? When you multiply, if you have same sign, we normally put plus, right? Plus 3. Okay, that means here this both sign become one sign as plus, minus into minus plus, right? Okay, now here 7 plus 3 10. Okay, that means if you divide this one by this, it will be 10 to the power 10, because when you subtract like this way, 7 subtract minus 3, it become 10. So here will be 10 to the power 10, right? Here base is 10, like this. We need to subtract from this index, so it will be 10. So 10 to the power 10. Now this part become 10 to the power 10. From this I subtract this. Okay, then I need to do this one. What the 4.5 divide by 9, no? Here also same meaning, this is divide by this. So let's see, divide here by 9, right? How many 9 are there in 4? Nothing, no? 0. Then how we can bring this 4 to here? I put the decimal point here because we need to think with this. 45. In 45 how many 9s? It's 5, right? Like that you can divide nodes. So here will be answer what the 0 0.5. 0 0.5. Okay, now how to do? How to get this answer? Like this. Now this is still not in standard form, because they tell no this answer you need to give in standard form. This is not in standard form. This is you need to convert again into index form, in standard form. This is already in index, keep that away, and this is I need to make to standard form. I mean this thing, right? This one I need to make into standard form. This one. How? Here before the decimal point must be one digit. If you need to make to any number has a standard form, before the decimal point must be one digit except 0. So here only 0 we have before the decimal point, so I need to bring one time here, one digit I need to pass here. So that means here decimal point. Now if I write here decimal point before the decimal point, that means in this side only one digit except 0, that means 5 here. Okay, now that's why I need to bring decimal point to here. So here decimal point, then after there's no any digit, so that's why I don't need to put anything. So 10 to the power, I brought this decimal point 1 digit past now. So I need to write here negative 1. Because why? If you pass this way, right, this way, that means to right side, you can remember right side. If you bring, when you write in standard form, if you bring this decimal point to right side, how many digits you pass, that number you need to put here, with the negative sign, negative 1. Now here I pass 1 digit, so negative 1, like that. Then 10 to the power 10, that means this part I wrote here. Only this 0.5 I convert again into standard form. Okay, now final step, 5 to the power, 5 into, now again we can apply the index rule. But when you have same base and multiplication here, you need to add these two index, no? Here we subtract because same base, but here we have division, so that's why from this I subtract this, like this. Now here you have same base but multiplication, so that's why you need to add these two index. That means basically -1 plus 10, add 2 plus 10. So what will happen here? What the answer here? Normally we tell when you have different sign, bigger one sign and get the difference here, so it will be 9. Bigger one is 10, no? So that's why it's here plus, and then if you subtract without considering sign, 10 minus 1, it will be 9. So here 9, index will be 9 when you add these two together. So here final one, 10 to the power 9, right? 10 to the power 9, that's the final answer for this.